Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can log into KeyBank's online banking. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. First you go to Google, you go to your browser, then go to Google, and then you enter KeyBank. And here you'll go to key.com. This is the official website for the bank. And once the website is loaded, right here you can see this option for online banking open. So here you'll click on sign on. So once you do that, you will enter your user ID or user name, and then you will click on continue, and you enter your password over here, and then click on continue. And once you do that, you will be logged into KeyBank. And if you have not yet enrolled to your online banking service at KeyBank, you will not be able to log in, so you have to do that first. And we have a different video on how you can enroll for online banking, so you can check that out. So it's very easy to log in. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like.